Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kind Life.
Welcome to the channel.
I'm Adil.
I'm Zidan.
And this is Nuria. And we're here at
Charleston.
That's right, folks. We're here in Charleston, South Carolina for the next couple of days. We don't have a car. We were dropped off here. Huge shout out to our hotel, the Charleston Place. They accommodated the ride and the hotel and flew us out here. So huge shout out to them. We stayed inside the presidential suite. Everything was perfection. We did create a detailed video of the hotel and its amenities, so do check out our other videos. Now, our first day in Charleston was spent entirely at the hotel, as it does have a lot to offer. Now, in this video, what we're going to do is show you guys everything you can do in Charleston, walking distance, because we don't have a car. So everything that we do today and tomorrow is all steps away from our hotel. So let's have a look and show you guys this beautiful city of Charleston. Our day starts off by visiting the city market, a historic market complex that stretches 4 city blocks. What you got there?
It's a cool rock.
It's a cool rock.
I think he said it's called Labrador.
It's going in his rock collection. Oh, that's nice.
What's that place that we have to go?
What does it remind you of, this place? Do you remember when we went to Turkey? That market? Do you remember that? It has that same vibe. He's forgetting. What was that market called?
The Grand Bazaar?
Yeah, the Grand Bazaar. Doesn't that look like the Grand Bazaar? Yeah, now he knows. I said the wrong word.
Right here, look right here.
This dog is breathing.
Look at me outfit.
Oh, Nuria wants it.
Look at this. But we have to put it back when we're done, okay? Get it.
Nice.
So you can actually get a carriage right here as well. We got these scheduled for tomorrow, so we'll be checking this out. But I'd recommend you guys check these out on the first day, so they give you a little tour of this entire city so you can see what to do. Ooh, it's super hot here in Charleston. We are here in June, end of June, and it is humid, very hot, right? This boy's keeping cool?
Yeah.
Plenty to walk around though. I mean, there's so much to see in this city. I mean, we're just spending the day just roaming around and checking out some of the hot spots that are labeled on Google when you search it. So we're headed to the Pineapple Fountain. So we'll check that out. Pineapple Fountain. Excited to see that? This entire city is so beautiful just to walk through. Roads, the architecture, everything. Trees, the Palmetto trees. That's where the state gets its name from. All right, we made it to the Pineapple Fountain. A little construction going on in the area. But yeah, this is one of the places to visit. All right, we got him into the water. How's it?
It's cold.
Cold? Across the Pineapple Fountain is... that one looks more fun. Want to go there? I'm gonna check out the pier real quick too. They got this, nothing really here, but nice for a little walk. They got water taxis here too. I guess that's what you get from here. That's where the pier's at. Pick those up, go across. Nice and windy here. Got some swings here too. The wind, the breeze here feels amazing. Got the bridge in the back. Nice little spot.
The weather is so beautiful. So perfect here.
Someone's about to sleep.
Me.
No? Actually, I want to sleep over here. It's nice.
So South Carolina is a state that we wouldn't have thought to visit. It's actually very beautiful. I would love to come here again. And it's only been day 2?
Yeah, it's only day 2. And we planned only a day. for sightseeing because we didn't expect it to be a lot to do here. But even just hanging back, relaxing, not doing anything is a lot of fun. Gonna head over to Rainbow Bro. I think we're in the area, close by at least. Everything's kind of connected in the French Quarter. All right, so we took a quick power nap. About an hour. I took a power nap. These guys were walking around the hotel.
We're walking around.
As I get older, I need to sleep. So, I mean, we have this beautiful hotel.
I don't need to sleep.
Yeah, you don't. She's a lot younger than me. That's cool. That's okay. But yeah, I mean, we have this hotel, so might as well take advantage of it and rest up. But now it's time for dinner. We're headed to a place called Mam Saab. It's a Pakistani restaurant in the middle of Charleston restaurant. What's that?
What's Pakistani?
Pakistani. That's what you are, aren't you?
It doesn't spell like that.
How do you say it?
Pakistan?
We're going to a Pakistani restaurant, a fusion Pakistani restaurant. Am I saying it right now? I'm saying it right. So let's check this place out. It's supposed to be really good. It has some great reviews. And yeah, let's have a look. Thumbs up. It's Coke, right?
Thank you.
What do you got? You got
Okay.
mango lassi?
I have a lemon masala lemonade.
Nice.
Yeah. It actually looks really
Yeah, try
good.
that. Try that out. Looks good.
Oh,
Yeah?
that's good.
She's not kidding. That's actually really, really good. I gotta learn how to make that. She's having a little feast over here.
This is really good. These trolley are really good. The samosa is a little spicy for me, but still very flavorful.
All right, so we just had dinner at Mam Saab. I gotta say it was really good. It was different. It's a fusion restaurant, Pakistani fusion restaurant. A little on the spicy side, but still worth it. Got an entire shopping district out this way, heading back to the hotel.
For $20?
For 20 bucks, yeah. Not on this street, maybe another street we could probably find it.
I want to get shoes.
Want to get Louis Vuitton shoes?
Yeah. I saw it.
Where'd you see them?
It's over there.
All right, another day here in Charleston, South Carolina, but today's just a partial day. We're actually headed to Savannah, Georgia later today. It's a short 2-hour drive from where we're at. So we're gonna check that beautiful city out too. So check out our other videos. But for today, we got a couple things planned. We're having breakfast at the Palmettos Cafe that's right here in the hotel. So let's have a look. So where are we going today? Horse? That's right. We got a horse carriage ride booked. It's a must do when you guys arrive to Charleston. Probably the first thing you should do. All right, we're here at Palmettos Carriage Works. We're taking a little carriage. We got plenty of horses going out. How cool is this? So the right way to check out Charleston, that's for sure. All right, we're ready. Nuna!
Yes!
She's been wanting to see horses so badly. Put on your seatbelt, guys.
What?
I'm just kidding. There's no seatbelts. Yay! Oh, they got a petting area too. We can pet this horse later.
Boy lounge back here. The Mystic fans. They turned that mist on a little later today. You'll see us standing back here.
Look at the horsey.
I know.
Right here. The beige one with the beige shutters here. That was Colonel William Brett's house. His nickname, the Scourge of the Pirates. Scourge of the Pirates.
It's a great tour, actually. They give you a little insight of the city itself. Slow and easy going. Only difference I would have made was I should have done this first, so we get an idea of the entire city. But they got different routes that you could take.
Notice those plaques, those circular plaques next to the doors. They're called Carolopolis Award. Those are given out. Good job in the restoration of the house by the Preservation Society.
It's all done. You want to do more? She liked it, huh? Hey, everybody's gone now.
Look at the horse.
Yeah, I know.
Watch y'all steps as you.
All right, let's check out our horse real quick. This big guy traveled us everywhere. All right, so we are done. It took about an hour of the entire trip, the tour all around. Now they have different routes. They choose which route they're gonna take you on. So we had the green route, took you to the residential area. Overall, great time. I think it's a great way to check out the city and get an idea of what this place is all about. We're gonna go ahead and get some pineapple freeze now. They got some Dole Whip, so we'll check that out next. Just started downpouring all of a sudden. Heading out of here, gonna grab my rental, gotta walk all the way in the rain now. But yeah, Charleston's been great. This rain actually feels really good because it's hot out here. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys check out our other videos. Bye, guys.